ladies, the wait is over. The 28-day fit and fasting challenge has launched. So make sure you click that link in the description and join us. So what you're going to get in this challenge is 28 days of intermittent fasting and fitness coaching directly from me. You're also going to get our Queen's Guide to Intermittent Fasting, which is going to teach you everything you need to know about getting healthier and losing weight with fasting. You're also going to get access to our Fit Queen Team exercise library filled with hundreds of at-home workouts. And we're also going to be doing a couple live workouts with me right in your living room. We're also going to be giving out cash prizes. Check out these ladies that won our last challenge. They was losing weight. They had a great time. Most important, they got healthier. That could be you this round. Also, don't forget, we're going to be incorporating our Her Nutra supplements in this challenge. So make sure you join this challenge. Get your supplements so we can all get fit and healthier for the summer. This challenge starts June 5th, ladies, so make sure you don't hesitate to click that link in our description and join us.